Welcome. Today we are discussing how to use and navigate Zoom.
Disclaimer. The following video tutorial was created by the CEPI Team, which consists of college students who provided the content based on their exploration/personal knowledge of Zoom. Hence, we are not experts nor licensed professionals. The following video will present the basics of Zoom, and any information that is introduced may be used under the viewer's discretion depending on how your child or children's teacher uses Zoom. Thank you. This tutorial can be used for any iPhone device as long as your Zoom app is updated to the newest version. Welcome. Today we are discussing how to use and navigate Zoom. Zoom is a video chatting service that works with any device on the app, website, or call. Zoom is probably the one you or your children are using to learn as we face social distancing, and it is the way the CEPI team conducts our classes and activities.
To download Zoom, first go to the App Store. It is the blue app with the logo A on it. Next, go to the far bottom right option, Search. Then, after you click Search, you can type in Zoom where the search bar is located. After you type Zoom, hit Search, and the first result is the correct app, titled Zoom Cloud Meetings. Since I already have the app downloaded, it says Open right here. But if you do not already have it downloaded, it should say Get. Go ahead and hit the Get or Open button to get started. When you are joining someone else's meeting, the host will send you a code to get in. This code will either be a 10 or 11-digit number sequence, or it'll be the link to the meeting which you can click directly and be transferred there. To get started, hit the Join a Meeting button and copy and paste either the link, which you can find by first hitting Join with the personal link name and copying and pasting the link here, or if you have only the meeting ID, you can go ahead and copy and paste that. If you'd like to change your name before you join, you may do so. Then hit Join when you're ready. If there's a password provided by the host, go ahead and insert that as well.
Now that you are in a meeting, let's go over some of the functions you may use to engage with others and work to your best ability. On the bottom left, there's a microphone. By hitting this, you can mute or unmute, allowing anyone in the meeting to hear you or to not hear you if someone else is talking. Next to that, there's a little video icon. This allows you to turn your camera on and off. If you are comfortable, turn your camera on to engage with others. If you are in a place where you cannot turn your camera on, feel free to hit Stop Video to turn it off, or Start Video to turn it on. When the audio and video are off, you can tell with the little red lines crossing through the microphone and video icons. The red line disappears when the audio and video are on. If you want to type in the chat, click the three dots on the bottom right, then click on Chat. Then feel free to type whatever you want in the chat box and send it. The message will automatically send to everyone. If you would like to stay engaged with the class while another person is talking and you do not want to disrupt the conversation, you still have a chance to express how you feel without taking yourself off of mute. To do so, you go to the three little dots again and then click on the emoji that you choose. This allows for you to express yourself and how you may react to what others are saying without talking over them. Ready to leave the meeting? If you are hosting a meeting like I am in this screen share, your Leave Meeting button will be the End button on the top right, which will allow you to either end the meeting for everyone or to leave it just yourself while others stay. If you are a participant and listener in the meeting and it's not your own that you have created, then your Leave Meeting button will be in the bottom right. After you click it, it will ask you to confirm that you want to leave. And if you are sure that you do, you may click yes and you will exit.